Hey everyone, if you're trying to connect an old VCR to a modern Samsung Smart TV, you'll quickly run into a technology gap that can be confusing at first. The main reason this happens is because VCRs use analog signals, while modern smart TVs are built to process digital signals only. Analog video flows as a continuous signal, but digital video is converted into data, which means the two can't communicate directly. Most VCRs output video using either composite RCA cables, yellow for video and red and white for audio, or a single coaxial cable. Modern Samsung TVs, however, rely almost entirely on HDMI inputs, and many newer models no longer include analog ports at all. Because of this mismatch, plugging a VCR straight into the TV usually won't work. To bridge the gap, you'll need an analog to HDMI converter. This device takes the analog signal from the VCR and converts it into a digital HDMI signal your TV can understand. Start by checking the output ports on your VCR and the available inputs on your Samsung TV. If your TV only has HDMI, connect the VCR's RCA cables into the converter, then run an HDMI cable from the converter to the TV. If your TV still has RCA inputs, you can connect directly by matching the colors. Once connected, power everything on, select the correct input source on your TV, and adjust the aspect ratio if needed, so 4:3 VHS content displays correctly on a widescreen screen.